Welcome to the Fumble. I'm Sherry Landry. Could LeBron James and Dwyane Wade reunite in Cleveland? Seems like a crazy idea, especially considering the economics of the situation. Currently, the Cleveland Cavaliers could only afford to give D-Wade a mid-level exception at roughly $3.5 million a year. That's obviously far from the Miami Heat and their current offer of 2 years and $40 million. But before putting the idea to rest, the Cavs just followed D-Wade and Gabrielle Union on Twitter and on Instagram. Either they're actually interested, or Cleveland's social media manager is just trying to go viral. Now I know what you're thinking, it's social media. But Andrew Bogut deleted all Warriors stuff from his account roughly 15 minutes before the Durant decision went down. So, Twitter activity can provide valuable information. Rumor has it Wade is in talks with the Bulls and Nuggets for a 2-year, $50 million contract, according to ESPN's Brian Windhorst. But he could simply be trying to push Miami to raise their offer. Perhaps Wade is willing to take a significant pay cut to play for Cleveland one season. Then he could potentially earn max money when the salary cap goes up again next year. But if he wants a long-term deal, he would take a pay cut from LeBron, a trade for Kevin Love, and that still wouldn't be enough to pay him close to the Heat's offer. What do you guys think? Is D-Wade headed to the Cavs? Let us know what you think in the comments below. For all the latest in sports news, visit us at obsev.com/sports and be sure to subscribe to The Fumble.